The next question is the million-dollar question. What do we do about finances?
Yeah, that's a like you said, $1 million question. It's a big issue. But what we have done over the years in Ghana is to partner with churches and organizations who then fund the ministry, the project that we are undertaking. And so we have with the churches and one big major church in Ghana, Church of Pentecost. We are in partnership with them and training their people and organizing classes for them, etc. And they are taking all the costs. We print the primers for them, they buy the primers in bulk, and then they sell it to their literacy classes at a reduced cost so that they can afford to buy it. And then also they take care of some, like, I'll put it, transportation for the teachers that have been trained, because some of them stay far, and so they give them something to motivate them to be able to come and teach regularly. And monitoring, they make sure that at least we have fuel in our vehicles to be able to monitor their classes. And so that is that. Apart from that, we have started visiting other churches and telling them about our ministry. And there's this craze or this thing that has caught up with most Ghanaians, mobile money. And also people have monies on their wallets and on their mobile phones. And if you ask them to give you minimum amount, just $1, 50 cents, this thing, they are able to easily transfer such money. If you ask for big amounts, so it's a big amount. But if you ask for something, small, and the aggregate of it is able to push us to do our work. So that is what we are doing in financing our project. I can't say that we have reached our goal in financing the ministry, but at least this is giving us a push to be able to sustain the ministry and be able to go on and fulfill the mandate that we believe God has given to us. Yeah.
An important thing to mention here, I think, is that there's no hard and fast rule for how to finance a literacy ministry, and there are several different models that we see happening all over the world, and they're all legitimate. I just got back from Brazil, where they have an entirely volunteer literacy ministry program, and all of the teachers there serve as a ministry. They feel that it's their service that they're able to do for the Lord to help their brother and sister in Christ, or their future brother and sister in Christ that doesn't know how to read, to share that gift with them. And the volunteerism seems to work there. But we've heard in other countries, for instance in India, where we have work going on, all of the teachers there receive a small honorarium. It's not much, it's like $5 or $10 a month, but just something small to say, we value what you're doing, we appreciate your work, and we know that it takes money even to travel sometimes to reach the classes. So it's a way to help support the teachers to do that. So different groups have done it different ways. That's something you'll have to talk about as a team and figure out how you want to approach that.